Budding Bubbleland. Hi friends, today we will learn a very important habit, brushing our teeth every day. Brushing keeps our teeth clean and healthy. When we don't brush, tiny germs stay in our teeth. They make our teeth dirty and weak. But when we brush, the germs go away and our teeth become healthy and strong. Brushing keeps our teeth clean and makes our smile bright. Let me show you how to brush your teeth the right way. Take your toothbrush, put some toothpaste. Now brush up and down and brush all around. Don't forget your tongue and rinse your mouth with water. Brush your teeth every day, morning and night. So say it with me. Brush, brush, brush. Great job, friends. You know how to brush your teeth now. See you soon. Bye bye. And don't forget to brush.